In this video, I will show you how to install NetMirror app on laptop. We'll keep this video simple and we'll make sure that we use trusted source for this installation. This will work for both Mac and Windows PC. In order to get started, simply go to your web browser and on the address bar type bluestack.com, and on this page you can see where you can click to download the BlueStack for your laptop PC. Now once you click here, you see different versions of this BlueStack that you can actually download, and you have it for both Windows and Mac OS. Here now we can just simply click on this download area here, and the BlueStack will immediately get downloaded in our PC. You can see that this is downloaded. Now once this is downloaded, you can just click on it and the installation will begin in your PC. The moment the installation is done, you can just launch the BlueStack on your PC, and you just need to do some customization by a kind of signing in to this BlueStack. Here you can just simply input your account just to get signed into this BlueStack environment. And once this is open, you can just simply come to this apps here and you click to open with this Chrome on this BlueStack. Once this is open, here you are going to type netmirror.app, and the moment you do that, you can just simply scroll down. Of course, this is very compatible with Android mobile or tablet, and you know BlueStack is an emulator for Android that you can run on your laptop or your PC. So you simply click on this download to download this NetMirror on this BlueStack, and you wait for the download to finish. The moment it finished downloading, you can just simply click on open and the installation will begin. So you click on install and you can see this is already installing here, and the moment the installation is done, you can just either click on done or you open it, or you can just say click on this done. And if you go over to the home page of this BlueStack, you will notice that your NetMirror has been installed in your laptop. You can just simply double click on this NetMirror app and it will immediately get opened in your laptop or your PC.